Businesses hire data scientists to perform a bulk of work related to artificial intelligence to improve business performance and create new products. In this video, I'll go over 20 data science use cases in 5 categories that many businesses are using today. Under marketing, there's anomaly detection. This involves identifying steep downswings and upswings in sales data as they occur. Building an automated anomaly detection system would help a company to quickly address problems and opportunities that affect its bottom line. This use case could also apply to other business functions like manufacturing and supply chain management. Number 2, image classification. This involves creating algorithms that automatically classify images of products based on the attributes of those products, such as colors, product types, and so on. In the long run, this can be less time-intensive and more accurate than manually classifying hundreds or thousands of images in the company's database. Number 3, recommending products to website visitors. A company could capitalize on cross-sell and upsell opportunities by recommending products based on the search behavior, past buying behavior, and attributes of website visitors. A recommendation system would give customers and website visitors a clearer idea on what offerings can best fit their needs. Amazon is the most obvious example of a company that uses this approach. Additionally, some chatbots have this capability to a certain extent, and they can work on both websites and social media chat windows. Number 4, forecasting. This involves forecasting metrics such as sales, number of orders, profits, products sold, and so on to enable a clearer idea of where those metrics could land in the next several months or a couple of years in an organization. Number 5, identifying drivers of positive and negative outcomes. Manual techniques to find drivers of sales trends can be inconsistent and time-consuming. Using automated methods to identify factors that drive positive and negative outcomes can give companies a clearer idea on how to maximize their success. Examples of metrics this approach could apply to include sales, number of orders, profits, and so forth. This approach could also apply to other business functions like manufacturing and supply chain management. Number 6, developing chatbots. Customer service reps for companies often invest too much time answering frequently asked questions, and sometimes distributing a fact sheet isn't convenient from a customer's point of view. A chatbot can answer many types of questions based on the data you feed to it. Additionally, they can recommend products and services to customers and direct them towards making optimal buying decisions. Chatbots can integrate with websites, social media accounts, CRM software, and smartphone texting systems. There are already multiple high-quality chatbots on the market that companies can simply buy and customize. But some companies have unusual integrations of software and unique company objectives that may necessitate the need for a data scientist or developer to create a chatbot from scratch. Under customer relationship management, there's customer acquisition. This involves tracking the probabilities of prospective customers buying a company's products based on current and past customers with similar behaviors and attributes. This helps companies calibrate and maximize the success of their customer acquisition strategies. Number 8, customer segmentation and clustering. Many companies use manual methods to segment the customers based on characteristics like price points, survey results, geographic areas, industries, and so forth. Using clustering techniques can help companies segment customers based on factors that are more difficult to pinpoint, such as behavioral patterns. Using this approach enables companies to apply personalized marketing and sales strategies to each customer segment. Number 9, customer sentiment analysis. This involves using modern natural language processing and sentiment analysis approaches to analyze text data such as customer feedback, social media posts, call center records, product reviews, written survey results, and more. This helps companies understand the customer's buying preferences and motivations at a deeper level. Number 10, customer journey optimization. A typical customer journey has 5 phases: awareness, consideration, purchase, retention, and advocacy. Customer journey optimization involves analyzing the typical sequences of events that take customers from becoming aware of a company and its offerings, and then buying those offerings. Just as important, it involves identifying the weak points in the customer journey that prevent customers from moving forward and buying from a company. Those weaknesses can include ineffective marketing campaigns, miscommunication, technology not working properly, and so forth. Number 11, customer lifetime value prediction. This involves estimating the total amount of money a customer is likely to spend with the company over the entire customer and company relationship. This is achieved by analyzing the customer lifetime values of customers with similar attributes and behaviors in the past. Number 12, customer churn prevention. This involves identifying customers that are most likely to end their relationships with the company. Data science can help companies find behavioral patterns so that those companies can proactively address their underlying concerns. Number 13, A/B testing. This is the process of comparing two versions of a web page, email, or other marketing asset, and measuring the difference in performance. Conducting A/B tests can greatly maximize the return on investment from marketing campaigns, product launches, and so forth. They can also help companies understand the preferences of customers at a deeper level. There are already a high number of automated tools that can handle this, but some companies deal with unique factors that other companies do not, and they may need a data scientist to create a custom A/B testing algorithm from scratch. Under products, there's market basket analysis. This involves identifying products and SKUs that are most frequently ordered together. This data can help companies recommend product and SKU combinations to customers based on purchases made by other customers in the past. Number 15, product lifecycle phase prediction. Every product has a lifecycle phase associated with it. Those phases typically include introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Predicting product lifecycle phases helps companies to predict when a company might stop growing in sales and when that product might decline in its lifecycle. These types of predictions are made based on life cycles of similar products in the past in a company. Under finance, there's price optimization. This involves analyzing multiple price and volume levels of products to determine what prices would most likely maximize sales and profits. Number 17, fraud detection. This use case is most commonly used in the financial industry and other industries that require considerable government oversight. This involves using algorithms to detect instances of fraud, including fake profiles, unusual financial transactions, theft, and so forth. Under manufacturing, planning, and supply chain management, there's inventory optimization. The costs associated with inventory storage can be astronomical in some companies. Using modern optimization and demand forecasting techniques could lead to a dramatic reduction of cost. This approach can involve a combination of programming skills, Lean Six Sigma knowledge, and applied statistics knowledge. Number 19, supply chain optimization. This involves optimizing shipment routes, decreasing process times, and predicting delivery times. Using optimization and demand forecasting techniques can automate this effort considerably and introduce a new level of standardization. Number 20, process improvement. Determining the factors that most contribute to process time deviations can be inconsistent and labor-intensive. Modern advanced analytics techniques can considerably automate and standardize this effort. Thanks for watching. To learn more about artificial intelligence, make sure to watch the video to the right.